the first time you're in CM Bangla?
Mata step kat kendai tarik no pra ajab san triang ba ka jila ko nat ke sangma la khot disya ya ki Nongtrei ka Shillong Municipal Board sibenta ai ben sim ya ki hal ka trai stom ya ki lang benta ban pen khu ya ka so Shillong ha ni sni ha bakran ha ni step na kali triang ba ro ai ya ro ai ni Nongtrei ka Shillong Municipal Board baru ai ben sim ya ki bagi nang trai stom susu nama bagi Paidbah ki Iohi bat bun ki bra phun uru baki yaro nam takani kesin jam baka Shillong Municipal Board klasim kamtam ban pen khu ya ki saudong saukun kelang ni ka so Shillong.
Noticing or watching, but I want to tell you personally that so many people have told me about how happy they are to see all of you work so hard and keep our city clean. So don't think that people are not noticing. People are noticing, people are very happy, and people are very proud to see all of you do this. And I, on behalf of the state and people of Shillong City especially, would like to really take this opportunity to thank all of you. So don't think you're doing a simple thing. What you are doing is making a huge impact on how our city is clean, how our tourists feel about the city, and the citizens of the city also and the state, how they feel about their capital. Today, my whole purpose of calling you to the Chief Minister's bungalow is only to express our gratitude to you. This is Christmas season, and obviously Christmas is a time of joy, of love, of sharing happiness with everyone. And sometimes in life, we tend to ignore a lot of people and take people for granted. But maybe this is the time when we don't take people for granted. So Christmas time is the time when we share our joy and happiness. And so the reason I've called all of you is to share the joy and happiness of Christmas with all of you. We're to share a cup of tea, a small maybe cake we'll have together. We'll celebrate Christmas together. We'll celebrate the work that you're doing, which, as I said, is not a small thing. You're doing a lot of big things. Trust me, the impact that you're doing is really making our city much better. So once again, thank you so much. And also on behalf the daytime you have only or the shift, sometimes morning, sometimes night. Can we greet him? Let's say a few words and then okay, come. So it should look natural. Nice heights together. And now you how long?